everybody. I bought a T50 Plus socket to get the bell housing bolts out. And I rounded one of them out with a regular T50, so I had to weld to it. And I got that out today. Sorry I haven't been around. I got a LED blacklight flashlight. I mean, it's legit. To find tomato worms. I got everything in the ground. Let's go outside and see if you guys can see where I'm going. Some of my tomato plants died. There's one. Look out. There's no tomato worms on that. There's some sun scorching. Pretty good purchase, I think, for $9.